Hello, this is another video about web services. I had made a video about this before, and I just wanted to show another example of how a web service works, how you can send your request. But in this case, I will just be testing on a website, using the URL. However, you can actually write a Java client for this, and I would like to show that real quick if I can get it to work. This web service, what it does is it basically solves an equation. And the equation is a plus 2b plus 3c plus 4d equal to whatever target you give it. And this is how I would be sending my request. I am using my local host, which is my local server. I'm using Tomcat 9.0, I think. And basically, this is my mapping. This is my path to this function right here, which is my project, my algorithms package, and then I have the solve equation here, which is my class name, and then solve, which is my method right here. And what I'm trying to solve, I have a target. In this case, my target is 300, and the maximum number of iterations I want to do is 200. However, we can change this. So for example, I run this, and you can see it gives me a solution, but I can change my target to say 20, and what if I said I wanted my target to be, well, if the target is something lower than, say, the addition of all this, then we cannot get the solution, right? So let's make this, say, 15, and send. And as you can see, this is the solution. This is basically the results we get, which our output is in JSON. So the fitness value we get here is just basically, say we have a population. I don't really want to go deep into explaining how genetic algorithms work, but I would just like to quickly give a brief overview of what I did here. I have a population in which I get the best ones, and from the best ones I generate two parents. So I have parent 1, parent 2, and they crossbreed, and they give birth to a child. That's the idea. So we have parents and we have children. Now the child is basically supposed to be better than the parent. But in some cases, of course, the child might be worse. But basically we keep on going on, and eventually, in this case, we actually found a solution. So it is possible we don't have a solution, but in this case we did find a solution. And the solution is 1 multiplied by 0.7, 2 multiplied by 7, 3 multiplied by 0.07, 4 multiplied by 0.07. And at the end of the day, we get a solution of 15.374. So I can put in another value, say 1500, and run this. And by the way, we generate this based on the target we're looking for. So that's why we can always come very close to the solution. In this case, we trying to see if there's a solution here. In this case, there is no solution, probably because the number of iterations is so little. But let's increase the number of iterations to say 200. If I run this, as you can see, this ran for quite a while. So let's see if I find. There is no solution either in this. But basically, this is what the request would look like, and this is basically what the result should look like, and we can parse this. I can also try to run this using a Java client. If you're bored at this time, of course, it makes sense to stop watching. However, I will try to create a Java client and just show how that would work if I was just running this through Java. Alright, so here I have a very simple Java client, which I'm using to send a request to the web service. And here I already have my link, which is just basically my local host, as I explained before. And when I run this, it asks me for the target. In this case, I would use a target of 35, and my maximum number of iterations I want should be 100. When I run this, as you can see, it's pretty fast. It gives me a solution, and this is my JSON output. However, I like using this because it gives me a much better formatted way of seeing But basically that's it. I will put the code up and you can take a look at it. Thanks for watching.